Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Gigabyte's ultra small Barebone BRIX Extreme Mini PC. So friend, the installation of the 12th generation Intel Core P processor improves multi-thread performance over the standard model because it includes a high performance GPU Intel Xe graphics built in. It offers a wide range of application not only for gamers but also for content creation like as videos. And friend, there are three CPU options: Core i7 1260p, Core i5 1240p, Core i3 1220p, and the range includes tall model with 2.5-inch bay and thin model without. And friend, the Core i7 or i5 tall model is also available with a dual M.2 SSD kit in a 2.5-inch bay. And friend, the tall model all contain 4 memory slot DDR4-3200 SO-DIMMx2, one display output HDMI 2.0p into 1, one HDMI 2.1 into 1, one mini display port 1.4 into 1, and one USB 4.0 Type-C into 1. And friend, 4K output screens are included. And friend, the network has 2.5 Gigabit LAN into 1, Wi-Fi 6E wireless LAN, and Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity. And friend, the long model has a slim design and it has the body size of 52 into 134.2 into 139.1 mm, while the thin model has the body size of 48.3 into 134.2 into 139.1 mm and power supply of 135 watt, and OS is Windows 11 or 10 and AC adapter type. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.